Hello, first graders. Today's the day we will take your spelling test on those words with the long I patterns. Make sure that you have your spelling test paper or a blank piece of paper numbered 1 through 12 nearby. Let's begin. Number 1, my. My hat is in my bag. My. Number 2, try. Will you try to sing? Try. Number 3, sky. The sky was full of clouds. Sky. Number 4, fly. Watch the bird fly. Fly. Number 5, by. The glass is by the sink. By. Number 6, dry. My painting is dry. Dry. Number 7, pie. Dad baked a yummy pie. Pie. Number 8, cried. Toad cried when he lost the kite. Cried. Number 9, night. I go to bed at night. Night. Number 10, light. Where is the light switch? Light. Number 11, myself. I will get the book myself. Myself. And number 12, brighter. The flashlight is brighter than the other. Brighter. Now, super spellers, if you missed a word or would like to hear one repeated, go back and rewind the video. You may pause if you need to as well. I will see you next time, super spellers.